In this video, I show you how to fix Eyecon app not working problem. For fixing this problem, go to your phone settings, then go to apps or application management, click on it, then go to see all apps, scroll down, find out Eyecon app, click on it, click on force stop, then OK, then click on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete, then go to Play Store, search for Eyecon app. Now up to date your Eyecon app if available any update version. Now open Eyecon app, click on continue, allow, click on icon, then set as default. Now log into your account. Now I hope that this method fix Eyecon app not working problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.